Hello guys, my name is Kevin Chu. Here I will show you how to use a Freego E10 Pro, the application. There is a phone app you can download from iOS or from the Android. Now I'll show you how to enable the cruise mode by the application. First, I will show you how to download the app, and then I will show you the changes on the dashboard and the wheel movement. Now we want to connect this phone and the scooter by application, by phone app. You see the icon of Bluetooth is blinking. It means the phone and the scooter is not connected. So now let me show you how to connect. First, you can find the app. It's called KCQ Scooter. This is our scooter's application. It's a universal version. Okay, turn it on. You see, it's required to put the password, phone number, everything. If you don't want to do this, that's fine. Just skip. Okay. Now it already found the MAC address of the Bluetooth. It's called KCQ Scooter. Must push here. Okay. Now you see the icon is not blinking anymore. It means the app and the scooter is connected. Now you see there's some information here. Now the battery is 100% full. The lights, okay. Here is the lights control. Now turn it on, see, or turn it off, okay. And also it can show you the speed is 0 because it's not working. And now it says the gear is gear 2. Okay, I want to gear 1. Here should be gear 1, gear 2, gear 3. Gear 3 is a high fast mode. Okay, and turn it off from here. Now I want to show you how to enable the cruise. Cruise means if you go fast, you keep pressing the throttle. It will, after about 5 seconds, you don't have to push anymore. It still keep going with the same speed. This is called cruising. How we do that? You see here is a setting button. Okay, you find the setting. Here is the start mode. It means 0 start or non-zero start. 0 start means you press button, it will go directly. This is called 0 starts. But usually it's not safe. We use non-zero starts. It's for beginner. It's better this one. And the fixed speed cruise, now it's on already. Or we'll turn it off. Okay, if you turn it on, if you turn it on the speed cruise, it means when you go more than press the throttle more than 10 seconds, the cruise mode will keep the same speed. Turn it off here. Okay, and this one is a connection password. It means you put here, it will ask you to put the password. In this way, anyone who wants to connect your phone app must use the password. Otherwise, it cannot use this for safety use. Very, very good function. If you want any other information, contact us from. You can try more function from application. Okay, let me say again. How to enable the speed cruise. Must do here on or off from here. It's very, very easy. Try it. Okay. Just now we already enabled the cruise mode. Now I show you how it works. It's already working or not? See? I press. Now you see the scooter is moving. Come here. Because, okay, you see it's working already. The speed is still 16. I already see it's working. How to disable it? How to cancel it? Just press any here or here. It will cancel the cruise. Let me show you again. You press button and I move the scooter. Okay, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, sometimes 10 seconds. it will blink 2 times. It means the cruise mode is activated. If you want to cancel it, or press here, it will stop. But for the beginner, we do use this because beginner will worry they lose control. So by default, the factory setting has this function is off. If you want to turn it on, go to the application to change the mode. That's it. Thanks so much.